Hey everyone, welcome back to Lead with Parampreet. In today's video, we'll be learning 20 simple idioms that you can easily use in your daily life. These idioms will make you sound more fluent, natural, and confident while speaking English. Here is how we'll do it. I'll introduce each idiom one by one, explain its meaning, and share two examples to help you understand how to use it. Stay with me till the end for a fun and valuable learning experience. Let's get started. Let's begin with the first idiom break the ice, meaning to start a conversation in a social situation and make people feel more comfortable. Now, moving on to how you can use it in sentences. Examples. At the party, she told a funny joke to break the ice. Second, to break the ice during the meeting, the manager asked everyone to share an interesting fact about themselves. Now, let's move on to the second idiom a piece of cake, meaning something that is very easy to do. Let's discuss two examples to see how it is used. Example 1. The exam was a piece of cake for her because she had prepared well. Second, for a chef like him, making pasta is a piece of cake. Third, hit the nail on the head, meaning to describe something exactly or to be completely correct. Example 1. When she said the solution was teamwork, she hit the nail on the head. Second, his explanation really hit the nail on the head. It was exactly what I needed to hear. Next up, we have under the weather, meaning feeling unwell or sick. Now let's discuss how to use this idiom in sentences. Examples. I didn't go to work today because I was feeling under the weather. Second, he seems a bit under the weather. Maybe he caught a cold. Moving on, the fifth idiom is let the cat out of the bag, meaning to accidentally reveal a secret. Now let's see how it can be used. First example, she let the cat out of the bag about the surprise party. Second, don't let the cat out of the bag before her birthday. The next idiom is a blessing in disguise, meaning something that seems bad at first but turns out to be good later. Now let's discuss two examples to understand it better. First, losing that job was a blessing in disguise. It pushed me to start my own business. Second, missing the bus turned out to be a blessing in disguise because I met an old friend. Next, we have the idiom bite the bullet, meaning to do something difficult or unpleasant that you have been avoiding. Now let's look at two examples of this idiom. Example 1. I finally bit the bullet and went to the dentist. Second, it's time to bite the bullet and start studying for the exam. Moving forward, the next idiom is burn the midnight oil, meaning to work late into the night. Now let's see how some examples that can be used for this idiom. First, she burned the midnight oil to finish her project on time. Second, if you want to succeed in life, sometimes you have to burn the midnight oil. Next one is keep an eye on, meaning to watch or monitor something or someone carefully. Example 1. Can you keep an eye on the soup while I answer the phone? Second, he asked his neighbor to keep an eye on his house while he was away. Next one is spill the beans, meaning to reveal a secret. Example 1. Don't spill the beans about the promotion yet. It's a surprise. Second, she accidentally spilled the beans about the wedding plans. Next one, pull someone's leg, meaning to joke or tease someone. Example, Are you sure? Or are you just pulling my leg? Second, he was just pulling your leg about winning the lottery. Next, when pigs fly, meaning something that will never happen. Example 1, I'll go skydiving with you when pigs fly. Second, he said he'll clean his room when pigs fly. Next, cost an arm and a leg, meaning something very expensive. First example, that designer bag costs an arm and a leg. Second, I wanted to buy a new car, but it would cost me an arm and a leg. Next one is every cloud has a silver lining, meaning every difficult situation has something positive. Example 1, losing the match was hard, but every cloud has a silver lining. We learned from our mistakes. Don't worry about the job rejection, every cloud has a silver lining. Next, to be in hot water, meaning to be in trouble. Example, he is in hot water with his boss for missing the deadline. Second, if you keep skipping school, you will be in hot water with your parents. Next idiom, a penny for your thoughts, meaning asking someone to share what they are thinking. Example, you have been quiet for a while. A penny for your thoughts? Second, she looked lost in thought. So I asked, a penny for your thoughts? So these were 20 simple idioms that you can start using in your daily life. Practice these idioms to make your English more engaging and fluent. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Lead with Parampreet. See you in the next video. Take care and keep learning.